I got Xbox Series X and this console is look like totally damaged. First, the black cover here is look like not normal and the fan is look like broken. So first, let's open it and see what's the damage. This plastic piece for the disk drive is look like broken, but I need to check the fan. Just be careful when you take the connector out. Oh wow, so the fan is totally broken. Okay, now I can test the console if it's turned on or not. Let's turn it on. Oh, the console is on and the console is working. Let's check the disk drive. The drive is working. So then the issue only on the fan. So I will replace only the fan here. I still use the same cover. They have 4 screws. And this is the last one. And this is a brand new fan. The fan is available on our shop. I need to turn 4 screws on the fan. The 4 screws is returned. Let's return the fan and test. The 3 screws is returned for the fan. The fan connector also returned. The black cover also returned. And now let's test it. And as you can see, the fan is spinning and the console is fixed. Thank you for watching. If you have any question, please leave a comment.